Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an information disclosure lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is information disclosure in version control history. So the lab discloses sensitive information via its version control history. We need to obtain the password for the administrator user, log in, delete Carlos's account. Sweet. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. So the most common version control is Git. And so what I expect is that we can go like that and see something, which we do. Sweet. So it's going to be difficult to go through all of these and actually extract a password. Oh, well, we know we want, that's funny. Remove admin password from config. We know we want this. I don't remember if it's this one or this one. Oh, that's the initial. So this is the new one. This is the old, this is the new. So we want this. Maybe we can actually do it all from the browser. That would be funny. Well, it wouldn't be what I expected. I think that's refs, heads, and we want not master. We want 11 tags. No. Okay. What we can do, instead of me trying to figure this out, we want 11. We want this one because we don't want the updated removed. We want 11EE, right? So if I go, sorry, I'm going to try for just a second and then we'll do it the way it should be done. Is it branches? No. All right. Hooks info. All right. I'm going to do the way 11 EE. Oh. What the heck? Open the file link. What did I download? Just that. So if I go to 3 cat downloads 11. Whoops. It's not what I wanted. All right. Let's go proxy HTTP history. Well, that's not going to work. Okay. Sorry for messing around. Let's go like this. Let's go wget-r and we will go here. Copy. Paste. So this is going to recursively download every file, right? And then we'll wait for this to finish. Once it does, we'll do a Git log to show, the commits. We already know which one we want, and then we'll git reset to that. Probably should have put this in a different directory. Oh no, it is. It's in that CDOA. Yeah, this will work. Now that we're in this directory, we're going to do git log we see we have 2 commits. We want this commit right before the remove admin, right? And then we're going to do git reset -- hard to that commit. And then cat admin.conf. There's the password. Woo woo. All right, so let's start writing. Let me, Kate, new file, copy this, paste, cd like that, and then cd. Let's write the script, which will be Python utils create script. We'll copy this, paste it here, and then we'll vim information disclosure in version control history. So what do we have to do? Login and then delete. Okay, so shop.login with administrator and this password. Let's do resp cookies equals this shop.log. I know. log.info resp.text. All right. Let's see. Oh, we probably need to get the /admin page. Yeah, we need to get the admin page. So shop.get response to shop.base URL plus admin. We're going to save this as resp equals, and we're going to reuse the cookies. So cookies equals cookies, and then we'll log that one. To get the format, see how Carlos is deleted. And it looks like it's just a URL, so we can do the exact same thing we did on the last one, which was authentication bypass, right? This pattern. We don't need headers though, but we do need cookies. Word cookies. So we extract the link, visit it, and then solved. Sweet, let's solve this. And yeah, so this one was pretty straightforward. The only thing that's kind of tricky is knowing the git commands. What we did was wget-r the URL /.git, right? And then once we had that, we changed directory into that file where the .git file is located. So we ended up with, so let me show you. We ended up with this folder that was created from here. So we changed directory into that. And then within the, within that file, there's the .git directory, right? So we changed directories into this directory, and then we did a git log, right? That allowed us to, let's just do it again, cd 0a git log. This allowed us to view, and because we defined it, we only see one, but before it allowed us to view multiple. Once we decided which one we wanted, then we did git reset hard with that number, the commit number. And that was, or commit hash, I think is a better way to put that. Hard commit hash. Once we did that, it restored the files. So now that we could see the 2 files that were there. And in the notes, we saw that it was removing the password from admin.conf. So if we look at that, we can see the admin password. Sweet. All right. Well, I hope that makes sense. We did solve it, right? I didn't actually check. Yeah. Lab is solved. And there's the banner. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.